In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to bring in text using Luma key. To free up our keyers to do chroma key or PIP configurations, we're going to assign our text overlay into a DSK. To start, go into the menu, go over to Keyer, press right, then press up to toggle through to Settings. Press Enter to select DSK1. Go down to Keyer Control, press right to highlight Linear, then press up to change it to Luma. Press Enter to select Luma. Since our background is black, Luma key is best to key it out. Then press right. Select Self and Enter to confirm. We will adjust the lift and gain later when we bring in the Luma key over our input. Now go to Key Source, change black to the input of your text. In our setup, it is input 9. Set the fill to black. Press menu twice to exit. Press DSK1 on the control panel of the HS3200 to bring in your lower third text on the program window. There is nothing on screen, so let's bring up the gain. Go back into the menu. Under Keyer, go to Keyer Control and select Gain. Press up to adjust it. As soon as the text is visible on screen and the colors, as well as the brightness of the text, look close to your source without changing the background image on your program, your Luma key text overlay is now ready. Now the DSK is active. You can enable and disable DSK1 by pressing the Preview or Program DSK buttons to bring in your lower third text.